So if you are holding Bitcoin at this current stage, then this video is definitely going to be for you, because in this video I am going to show you, with the help of this CPI indicator, a leading indicator, where the price of Bitcoin might be possibly heading in the medium short term and also in the upcoming days for this October month. Not just only the impulsive target or the bullish target, but also the bearish price target which is being flashed for this October month. So before we dive into the content, guys, please destroy that like button if you haven't done it yet, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now before we talk about this daily time frame, first I want to talk about this one scenario in a monthly time frame, because I have showed you on my previous video that this ascending channel right now in a monthly time frame is clearly one of the most important line of support which we have around 18 to 19,000 range, because we know in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin has showed this impulsive movement and also corrective movement, this corrective movement has ended after testing the support from this ascending channel lower line area. Really rarely another corrective movement found support at this lower line area from this ascending channel, started this new impulsive movement. Similar scenario unfolded again and again. I mean, each and every time price found support at this lower line area from this ascending channel, after that we had a really nice, really friendly type of scenario. And now if we look in our case, this is exactly where we are finding ourselves. I mean, the lower line support from this ascending channel. So in the past price action, finding support around this area has led to some really nice rally here to the upside. So that's why, guys, we are not allowed to close below this 18 to 19,000 range if we are actually expecting some sort of a relief rally type of scenario to play out here in the medium short term and also in the upcoming days for Bitcoin. Because if we are going to break this 18 to 19,000 support line, then this movement which has been playing out since 2018 is going to be invalid. I mean, the price is going to break the support from this ascending channel, the lower line area, and also clearly head towards this 11 to 12,000 range. That's our worst case target for Bitcoin. Consolidate around that area before starting this new impulsive movement. Why I'm actually saying you this? Because if you know this downtrend which is happening right now, and also the downtrend which we had here in 2018 is playing out perfectly, also indicating a corrective movement once we lose the support from this lower line area. This lower line area from this descending triangle is definitely another important line of support which we are holding right now around 18 to 19,000 range, along with this ascending channel in a monthly time frame. So once we lose the support, then please be careful, guys. There could be another bigger sell-off, just like what we had here in past price action. I mean, the price of Bitcoin after some consolidation could be starting a movement here in this manner, some consolidation, breaking the support, and a bigger corrective movement towards 11 to 12,000, consolidating around that area for months, even a year, and then finally starting with this new market phase. Because if you look at this scenario in a daily time frame, you will see another very interesting scenario unfolding here for Bitcoin. As you can see here in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin looks like it is following this descending channel where the upper line is acting as a resistance and lower line acting as a support. But if you follow this central line, this central line is for us a very important line of support and also resistance. Because whenever the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend like this, right, heading here to the upside, we always found support at this central line from this descending channel and then continue this rally towards the top of the channel. After reaching the top of the channel, we started with this corrective movement where this central line acted as a resistance, and then again a reversal here to the downward direction, reaching the bottom of the channel. A new trend started here. We broke the central line, and after that we also approached towards the top of the channel, got rejection around that area, and then again, just like here from the past price action, we are seeing this reversal with the small relief rally. So if we manage to turn this 19,000 to 20,000 into proper support for the medium short term, then I am actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a rally here towards this upper line area, which is around 21,000 to 21,200 range before, right, choosing a trend duration for this medium short term, because we know this center line has always acted as a strong line of resistance. So in the medium short term, if we manage to flip this 19 to 20,000 into support, then this trend is going to continue here to the upward duration. Not just only because of this descending channel, I'm actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to show this impulsive movement for the medium short term once we flip this 19 to 20,000 into support, but also with this example here. So guys, now just a friendly reminder, if you haven't destroyed the like button, if you haven't left a comment yet, then please do it right now, because a single like and a comment is definitely going to boost the algorithm of the channel and also give me motivation to create a content like this. So if you want to support me in any way, then do like and comment in this video. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame, you can see with the previous example we found out, once we flip this center line into support, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show this relief rally towards this 21,000 range. But if we look at this descending triangle, which is also considered as a bearish scenario, but for the medium short term, if you look at this here, we are still holding the support around this flat lower trend line between 18 to 19,000 range, which is a strong line of support along with this lower line from this descending triangle and also the lower line from this ascending channel. So what we are actually expecting, if we do manage to flip this resistance or the center line from this descending channel into support, then this trend is going to see this reversal towards this 21,000 range, and also this one formation is going to play out perfectly. I mean, the price of Bitcoin right now is consolidating inside the descending triangle. So if we manage to flip this 19,000 between that range into support, then this trend is expected to show another impulsive movement towards the upper line area from this descending triangle, and also the upper line area from this falling channel here towards the 21,000 range before choosing a trend duration here in this manner, either an impulsive movement or a corrective movement after reaching around this area. So that's why guys, that's why for the medium short term, please keep this in mind. 19,000 is a very important line of support, but for the bigger frame, right, for the bigger frame, 18 to 19,000 is going to be looked as our potential support line, which we are not allowed to break. And here in the medium short term, 19,000 is the must hold support line, because if we do manage to stay above that and also flip it into a proper support, then we are expecting this trend to continue towards this upper line area from the descending triangle and also upper line area from this falling channel, which is around 21,000 range. And beside this example guys, what I also want to include in today's video is this central pivot range, which is a leading indicator, and it gives us information beforehand. And according to this leading indicator, we now have a new price target for this October month. Yes guys, according to this central pivot range indicator, you can see now three lines: the top CPI line, central CPI line, and the bottom CPI line. These three lines are going to be one of the most important resistance line which we have between 19,700 to 20,400 range. So this three line is definitely going to be acting as one very important line of support. Why? Because the price of Bitcoin started this month of October below the bottom CPI line, and we know if we close or start the month, a new month, below the CPI line, then this is actually considered as a bearish scenario. Yes, price starting or opening the month below the bottom CPI line is considered as a bearish scenario. But in our case, since this is a VCPR, I mean the price of Bitcoin is heading towards a certain direction without touching any of the CPI line. In most of the cases, it is known as VCPR, and VCPR usually attracts the price like this. I mean, price usually gets gravitated towards the CPI line, any of the CPI line, either bottom CPI line, central CPI line, top CPI line, before choosing a trend direction. So now we know with the previous example, this 19,000 must be flipped into proper support, because if we do that, then we are expecting this trend to show a reversal towards the upper line area, which is around 21,000. Also the upper line area from the descending triangle, also around 21,000. And now you can see these lines are also going to be acting as a very strong line of resistance around that area. So if we manage to flip that into proper support, I mean the price breaking this upper line, also flipping that into support, right, around this area 21,000, around 21,000 here, then we are aware, guys. In that case, this trend is going to see a reversal here in this manner, flipping this resistance into support and getting attracted towards this first monthly R1 target line for this October month, which is lining around 22,000 area. Yes, this 22,000 is looked as our first monthly target for this October month, and if we fail, right, if we fail to flip this resistance around 19-20,000 to support, then please be careful, because the price has opened below the CPI line, which only happens during downtrend. And in that case, if this is going to be a failed attempt to break above this 20,000 range, then we know the first monthly S1 line, the support line, is lining around 17,452 area. Yes, this 17,452 is looked as our potential bearish target for this October month if we fail to find proper support above this 19,000 range. So these are some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please try that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.